I like math, you know?
Okay, so di ba gusto mo yung math? Paano mo siya ipopromote?
How can you show appreciation?
By doing it, of course.
Hindi mo ba gagawa ng poster?
Siyempre, kaya nga
Math.
as an artist, like to do poster, basta sa math. Love math. No math in one.
So,
Math is
part ng
like-
pag-love sa nature.
Math is like an heaven to me.
So, di ba math is heaven for you, then ganito gawin natin. 10 times 2.
10 times, oh my god, it's 200. I can do
That's the effect without math subject. Always remember that. If you doesn't know math,
It's heaven! You know, 10 times 2 is
We're right! We're right! 1 with plus 2 by 1 has equals 3 drugs!
Yes! We're in drugs right now.
you can't just do, you don't need to do drugs to love math. You three! Do you love math?
Education, but
Yes, you do math. You don't really love math. They love math, I know it. Both of you love math.
Chico. Yes. Love
Go!
Heaven math.
Now,
Heaven math.
how many are they?
I know everything. Like
10 plus 2!
Dalawan. Kapaliwan ko lang. Papasok ko to doon.
Uy!
Hello. Sabihin nyo nga.
I love math.
Yun, I love math. Oh, Isha, sabihin mo nga, I love math.
love math. Labas sa ilong.
Ikaw, El.
I love math.
Yes. El, Alea, dude.
Math is fun. Hey, dude! Take this out!
Ay, tama na.
Take this out!
Nababaliw na rin sila.
We're in drugs, cocaine, like adrenaline. Oh my god.
Nagbibidyo kami. Part ko nung
Kalakas ka ba? Sabihin niyo para sa project naman eh. Babalik din naman eh.
Agda.
Pre, naka-video yan. Uy, Agda.
Wait.
Agda.
Tristan. 3 times 3, Tristan. 8. Go, Patrick. 10 times 1. 2.
Sukat mo yung inano ko sa'yo. Sukat mo. Yung libingan mo. Ayun yung likod mo. Kulang pa lang, pre. Sukat mo. Higa ka nga. Wala pa. Higa ka. Hindi mo subuhat.
Kian. 100 times 1. Oo, Kian.
200!
200 daw. 100 times 1.
Zero!
Corny mo, Kian. Promise. Dan Ray.
1 plus 1!
Bakit 3?
Kasi 1 plus 1. Tapos bakit mag-divide yung building? Tapos plus times mo sa 0 kaya equals 3.
Ano square root lang 25? 2. Angas ka. Lupit ka. Pwede ka na.
Ikaw kaya nasagot mo sa tanong na yun. Ang snap mo, nakakabwisit ka talaga.
Sobrang
Oh!